The Jumbl 1000-piece puzzle board provides an ideal workspace for sorting, assembling, and storing puzzles, accommodating puzzles up to 1,000 pieces. This puzzle board features 6 removable storage drawers, allowing users to sort pieces by color or shape and store them conveniently for future sessions. The board's super smooth work surface and sturdy plateau design make it easy to work on puzzles from various locations, including a kitchen table, island countertop, or even in bed. Constructed from durable, reinforced hardwood and fiberboard, this puzzle board combines lightweight durability with an elegant wood tone finish, making it a stylish addition to any home. The integrated edging on the board ensures that puzzle pieces glide effortlessly into place and stay firmly planted during assembly. This practical and thoughtful accessory is an excellent gift for puzzle enthusiasts of all ages, from children to seniors, making it a perfect present for any occasion.